The darkening of areas such as your armpit, groin, knee and elbow is very annoying and awkward, even though it is very common. Women normally suffer more. They try several hair removal techniques and like their skin to be as light, smooth, and flawless as possible. Many things can cause these dark areas: misusing razor blades, insufficient ventilation, excessive sweating, alcohol-based deodorants, buildup of dead cells, genetics, and even several different diseases. In today's video we're going to show you some recipes that'll help you reduce and even eliminate these dark spots. Recipe 1. This recipe's main ingredient is lemon, which bleaches, purifies, and tones. It's really good at brightening armpits, and when you mix it with cucumber, you'll see some surprising results. All you have to do is mash up some cucumber, mix it with lemon juice and saffron, apply it to the desired area, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. If you add a little honey and rub it on your knees, they will be smooth and clear. Just don't forget to exfoliate your knees with a sponge in the shower to remove dead cells. This mixture can be used under your arms, on your knees and on your neck. Recipe 2. If you have dark spots on your neck, you need to use aloe vera, which is great for your skin, and is one of the plants with the most medicinal properties in the world. It is easy to grow, so you should try planting it at home instead of buying aloe vera-based gel. Since we normally forget to exfoliate and hydrate our neck, you can just cut up the aloe vera leaf, don't forget to remove the thorns, and apply the gel straight onto your skin. Recipe 3. In order to get rid of dark spots, it's important to exfoliate the area, reducing the amount of dead cells. You can use sugar to exfoliate when you don't have anything else handy. A sugar and lemon mixture will make the skin under your arms, and on your knees and neck, as soft as a baby's. It is easy, quick, and super effective. In order to see results, you must repeat these procedures at least twice a week. To prevent the spots from appearing, pay special attention to the parts of your body where they normally appear. While you're taking a shower, use an exfoliating sponge to remove dead skin, and never forget to moisturize these areas. You need to let the area under your arms breathe. Don't use as much deodorant during the day. Try to find time to apply a hydrating lotion under your arms. If possible, the lotion should be natural, due to the sensitivity of the area.